Since we all hate the little
Super Apple
so much,
One
what do you say we flood their house?
Oh my god, yes. Let's go flood their house. Little Einsteins, prepare to have your house flooded.
What's happening? I swear we didn't touch anything that causes the house to flood.
Well, something had to happen, and whoever caused this flood will be super out. Alright, let's watch some TV.
Absolutely. This is Penelope Anderson with breaking news. The little Einstein house has been flooded by 4 so-called super readers named Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, and Princess Presto. That's all for now.
They're getting mad.
Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, Princess Presto.
Get your monsters out here.
Speaking now. Yes, Mom and Dad.
Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, and Princess Presto. Did you guys flood little Eastie's house? You better tell us or else.
Yes. We hate the little Einsteins so much, so we got our revenge by flooding their house. We're really sorry. Oh my god. Super Y and Super Readers, I cannot believe you flooded the little Einstein's house. As for your punishment, we are going down to the house and we want you four to apologize to them. Alright, Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, and Princess Presto, we are here now. Say you're sorry right now.
Jay,
But we are way too scared. We can't dare. Apologize right now.
Okay, Leo, Quincy, Amy, and June, we have a confession to make. We were the ones who flooded your house. We are deeply sorry for doing that. We will be disciplined for our actions. We're sorry.
Your apology has been denied. We will never forgive you. It serves you right to be grumpy.
As for the parents of Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, and Princess Presto, you guys are going to be charged with a $1,000 fine to repair and replace all the damage you caused. I expect the payment by next Wednesday.
Back then, the real Einsteins would be just like your son, daughter, and pig. And we had to punish them by trapping them in their room with absolutely nothing. The little Einsteins are much older now and they know much better.
And because of that, we're having just as much fun as we did back in November for a few days when we temporarily became friends. Fox and Nick really rule and the three. I hope Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, and Princess Presto grow up soon. Otherwise, they'll go through the same era we did. And man, oh man, it's up.
Anyway, you can go home now, and you heard about the $1,000 fine at a house by Wednesday, the 24th. Anyway, goodbye now.
Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, and Princess Presto, we are going home right now. Just you wait till when we get home.
Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, and Princess Presto, you guys are so grounded forever. And we are giving away all the stuff you love and donating them to charity. Rules right now.